Hello, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Today we're transforming a piece of beautiful jackfruit wood into a durable and elegant cutting board. Jackfruit wood is known for its rich golden color, strength, and natural resistance to moisture, making it perfect for kitchen use. Flatten both sides of the board using a planer or hand plane. This helps create a smooth and even surface. You'll immediately notice the beautiful natural grain of jackfruit wood appearing as the surface becomes smoother. Now it's time for sanding. Start with coarse sandpaper and gradually move to finer grits for a silky smooth finish. To make the board safer and more comfortable to use, round the edges using a router. Take your time during this step. A properly sanded cutting board feels smooth and professional. Apply generous amounts of food-safe mineral oil to protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade cutting board crafted from jackfruit wood, durable, functional, and uniquely yours.